Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. After our successful demo of the push notifications of our Huafit Watch S12 Plus smartwatch, this time we are going to have a demo of the Bluetooth call functionality. As you can see here, we have several features, contacts. We are going to add contacts later on. We have call logs and keypad. So we'll try all of this and let's see if the speaker and mic of our Huafit Watch S12 Plus smartwatch is good. So if you are interested to see this feature, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's have a demo of our Bluetooth call functionality on the Huafit Watch S12 Plus smartwatch. First, let's add the contacts here. We do have a call here and a contacts. So let's open the Owlon app. We already enabled the Bluetooth call here. We have to sync contacts. Open. Then let's import. Okay, let's see. This is the only one. Import. Okay, let's check our contacts. Okay, so it's John. And we have it here. Okay, seems like everything is okay. Let's try it first. Let's call the number of this smartwatch. So we have here our other phone. So let's call Maria. Okay, Maria is the phone where the Huafit Watch S12 Plus is connected. Okay, it's now calling. If this, okay, we have it here. And okay, it is vibrating. Let's end a call. Seems like it is not properly activated. As you can see here, we cannot answer the call again. We only have a call notification and an option to end the call, incoming calls. So let's go back again to the settings. Going to set it first. Alright, so on the Bluetooth settings, we have here sync contacts. Okay, we already activated it, and now seems like our phone or our smartwatch is now set to accept a call. Okay, hopefully it works again. Let's call the number. Remember that we only have end call. Okay, we still have end call here. And call. Let's see here on the settings of our smartwatch. Enable. Okay, we forgot to enable it again. The contacts is already synced. We already set it here on the phone, and still it's not possible to answer calls. Okay, it's already set here. Let me synchronize it again. So I have here the phone. Okay, we have the address book, sync contacts. It's ready, imported. Enable Bluetooth call. Bluetooth other devices. Okay, I'm going to follow this. I'm going to check it first. Alright, so we troubleshoot our smartwatch here. We restarted the smartwatch, reset it again, then paired it with the support app just to check if everything is okay. So let's have the call again. Let's see. Okay, it's now calling, and as you can see, we have it here now. Okay, so and call. All right, so everything works here for our smartwatch after some troubleshooting. Okay, so upon pairing, we forgot to enable Bluetooth call functionality. So we unpaired it, then paired it again. And now everything works. Alright, so let's try and test the dial pad. So let's dial a number here. Okay, let's check out the contacts. Okay, so we have here the contacts. Keypad 0969 615, then 839 and 9. Let's see if the name of our contacts will appear. Again, okay, as you can see here, it is working. Okay, it's now calling, and we have it here. Okay, and call. Okay, so it works. The dial pad works. Let's see our call history, and we have it here. John O.P. And we have here the contacts. And it works also. Okay. Again, our call history here works. Our contacts works. Our keypad works for our Bluetooth call support for the Huafit Watch S12 Plus smartwatch. And before we end, let's try the speaker. Okay, let's see if we can receive calls here. Alright, so before we end our demo, so let's try to check the speaker and the microphone of our Huafit Watch S12 Plus smartwatch. So let's dial the number. Okay, let's see if we can answer it here on the smartphone. Okay, so someone's calling. Let's answer the call here. Hello, how are you? Hello, are you going to the party? Hello, are you going to the party? I'm going to the party.
Are you going to the party?
Yes. Okay, so seems like the microphone is okay. We do have some feedbacks that we can hear because of the proximity with the phone to the other phone. But anyway, the Bluetooth call works here. We can answer, we can hear the calls, it's clear, and seems like we do have an option for the microphone as well as the speaker and mic is okay. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.